Today's trade. Our target today was in infra, Nifty infra. Okay, infrastructure, Nifty infra sector. See, if you could see here, uh, well, we made a profit of almost 3,500. See, my profit or loss will not make any difference to you, but what you're going to learn from this video is very important. Okay, let's go. Yeah, Nifty infra. See, if you could see here, the structure is higher high in the sense you cannot sell this chart. Okay, whether it is a chart or a stock, whatever it is, you cannot sell this. Is it okay? Fine. So my hypo in Bharti Airtel and Adani Port was buy. Okay. In fact, I will delete all the levels. Okay. I will delete everything. I will just go to Adani Port and Bharti Airtel. Delete everything now. Well, if you could see here, first let's talk about Bharti Airtel. Okay, Bharti Airtel. If you could see the structure of yesterday's in the sense last trading day is higher high, and it's a green candle and it's closed above that. It's a strong thing, and you have to buy. You should buy in this stock today. So now, what happened? My first trade today. Sorry, my first trade was in Adani. Okay, I will explain you both the trades. Okay, yeah. Today you have to buy this stock, right? You have to buy this Airtel. Now, if you could see, this is the important candle of yesterday. Okay, see, closing was strong yesterday. Closing was strong, and opening is range bound today. So, and range bound is range bound opening is range bound, and if you could see the first 5 minutes volume break all the volumes of yesterday, so there will be a movement that is confirmed. Okay, but now here what happened? See, today we have to do a breakout trade. Okay, breakout in the sense it has to break out some levels. Today is a trending opening, so if you do a breakout trades, then it will give a good reward. So it has to break out this level. Okay, if it wants to go up, it has to break out this level, whatever the line mark now yesterday's high. It should break that and go. If you go to 5 minutes and check, see here, see, even though there is a volume, it could not break out that level. In fact, yeah, it could not break that level. Okay, and whatever the high made, no, it did not cross that level, so it should have fallen, and that is what happened. Breakout is failed, so it has fallen. But you cannot sell this stock today because it is strong. See, yes, after falling also, see how it rebound suddenly. See, I'll tell you. But I made a entry here because see, this was an important candle of yesterday. Okay, see, it is a range bound opening. There was a volume breakout, so I thought it might break this level. Okay, so I entered somewhere here, and breakout candle low is a stop loss. Okay, 40.540 I round figure I kept a stop loss. See, here it was confirmed. Here it was confirmed it will not go up, but so I was outside, and I once I take a trade, I will not exit until it's a stop loss. So stop loss hit, and whatever happened is this is Bharti Airtel trade. Okay, Adani Port, in fact, it was in my sell radar today. I wanted to sell this because structure is lower low, and see what happened. I'll show you something. In the 5 minutes, in the first 5 minutes, what happened? It broke all the volumes of yesterday, and see, yesterday's low is this one, right? You know where are the breakout trades can happen, right? So it broke everything, and it gave a close above the low of yesterday. Okay, but no candle gave a close above that candle. Okay, that means breakout is not confirmed, but it cannot fall also. I took a trade somewhere here, 67 in this candle. Above this is a above this is 86, 87 is my candle, and this was the stop loss. This low, if it should not come, if it wants to go up, definitely it should not come to this red candle. Okay, so I kept a stop loss here in the first trade, 683. If you see my video, I've told 683, and after this candle here I entered. Okay, I thought it will break out, and whatever the level, so it should cross that this high 703 is the target. But here what happened? Here, see, first in the morning breakout was failed, and if you see the important candle of this one, see, yesterday's important candle, from there exactly it started to fail. So when I saw this volume, with volume it fell, I exited with the 200 rupees profit. Afterwards I was waiting for the opportunity to enter a sell trade. Somewhere here I entered, and see, I could have booked the profit, but I was outside. So almost 5-6,000 profit I could have booked. See, my target was, see, I'll tell you. Target was, see, it should have touched the target. If not today, tomorrow it will touch for sure. See, this was the target, 658. It did not touch this target. I wanted to exit here, but I could not exit. See, today we should have done the breakout trades, but when there is a breakout fail, you can go in the opposite direction. And more importantly, see, as I told you, but this one, what is that? Adani Port, I had kept for a selling, but I thought it will break out this level and go. So that is the reason I took a trade. But here, see, if you see infra, you cannot sell any stock of infra today. You have to keep for buying. But in Adani Port, what happened? See, the structure was lower low, and you could have to sold it. 681 is the some support level. See, this highest volume candle, right? This one here, some, yeah, here 684, yeah, here, sorry, what is the low? Low is 681. I was seeing in mobile. See, low is 681.1. Once that is broken, that means see, definitely see here, if you put a zigzag here, no, in fact it has given indication that it will fall. Definitely in the coming days it will fall. Okay, but let's see when it will fall. Okay, we'll take a good trade in Adani Ports in the coming days. So this was about today's trade. Okay, HCL Tech was in my radar. And Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel also same levels. Let's see. And Titan was also in my sell radar, but I traded only infra stocks today. Adani Port, Nifty 50. See, Nifty 50 is also in good level. You put a zigzag here. Suppose if you put a zigzag, one. Let's see. I want to show that here. Array yaar, come on. Iska. So it has taken a support from the zigzag. Okay. So in fact, it should go up. My target is about 16,000. See, I had taken this 16,000 call. I exited at 128, half of the quantity. My half of the quantity is still pending, but I cannot go in loss if it goes because zero also. Because all my, this one is almost 3 times. Let's see what happens. It should go up. Unless it breaks this low, it is not in a downtrend. Okay, low of this candle. Okay, 15,607. Until it goes below that, see, not that one. In fact, if you see market, if you see, if you put a zigzag here, no, so rough zigzag I'm putting, okay, and it came till here, and it made a new high. When was that? It made a new high, right? Other day, yeah. In fact, until it crosses this one, until this is just a rough zigzag. Okay. Arey yaar. Until it crosses this line. Until it crosses this line. It is not in a downtrend. If not, it has to touch here these two levels. See, if it wants to go in uptrend, no, it should cross this. If not, from there, from it goes here and it will fall from there. Now it is not in a down, it cannot fall. Let's see, man. We'll whatever it is, we'll come strongly tomorrow. Okay. Take care then.